Bro, those ducks are like addicted to you.
Bro, I'm getting the fucking kayak and I'm paddling over to a fucking sandbank.
I'm getting bites.
Oh yeah, word. Now you're on.
Alright, yeah.
And if it's an eel tail catfish, I'll keep it as well. Because that's good. That's feedback.
I'm on.
Oh word. I got my net thing if you need it.
I feel like it's a bass. It's an eel tail.
Oh word. No, you don't need it there.
So my reel's coming off.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna fill up my bucket. And if I...
First fish of the day, eel tail catfish. Not bad size. But yeah, we'll go release this one.
I got pliers. Oh no, put it in.
Oh, can you take the thing out of it?
I got pliers. Hold on.
Yeah, right. Oh crap, this thing's gonna be a... Yeah.
If I catch an eel, I'll release it.
Do you want this? I'm just gonna splash it everywhere. Oh, no.
Wrong way.
There he goes. They're not prawns.
Yeah. There's like little shrimp and stuff here.
There's a little shrimp jumping.
Oh.
Oh, you're gonna run. Hayden, you're on.
It's only a little fish.
Hayden's on.
There's like a little perch maybe.
Yeah. What is it?
Right there.
It's an eel tail, I think. Nah, perch.
Oh, it's a big perch. It's pretty big size.
Not bad.
A spangled perch.
That.
It's biting. Hold up.
Is it taking drag? It's a bass.
I got a bunch of... Oh,
Not bad.
huh?
Not bad size.
Yeah.
Oh, crap. It's got all weeds and shit around it. Not too bad. We'll get a release. Oh, this flicked stuff in my eye.
Didn't even get it out for you.
Yeah, chuck that thing out of the way. Yeah, Hayden's getting the hook out and we're just going to get a quick release video for you. Wait, don't go yet, I'm going to do something.
I need the pliers.
I don't want to keep like ending the video and then doing all that, so while Hayden's getting the hook out of it, I'm just going to set this up, try and get a nice video of releasing it.
Can you release it?
Nah, you can.
Alright.
Here we go. See you, Hayden?
Hold on, I'll just get...
That's nice. Watch out for it to strip in.
Yeah.
You gonna measure it?
You gotta be careful of these spines because they're very poisonous.
Yeah, they're very poisonous.
And it will hurt a lot if you get somewhere.
That's why if you touch it. Is that bit poisonous though?
This bit, and this bit
Ooh!
is all poisonous.
I thought that was like the poisonous bit.
Right there.
Wait, should we measure it?
Yeah, it's a good sized catfish. You could eat this, but the
Yeah.
lake's still, so it wouldn't taste very good.
Yes.
Alright, so
Watch out for it to stop.
yeah. It's about a nice 48 centimeter, and the legal size here,
So
you can see
48 centimeters.
right here. The legal size is 35, so that's a massive catfish.
Is that one the right? No. How much was that again?
This is 48,
So how much was the legal size?
35.
So it's legal size, but I wouldn't really want to eat one of them.
Yeah.
Let's get a good video of it.
Make sure it can swim off. Yep.
Oh, watch out for its spikes.
And there it goes.
There it goes.